ब्रिज कोर्स इयत्ता 5वी विषय इंग्रजी रिव्हिजन 1. वेलकम dear students. Look, say and add more words to each group. पहा, म्हणा आणि प्रत्येक गटातील आणखी शब्द सांगा. Parts of the body: hands, nose, head, eyes, ears. Colors: red, green, yellow, black, white. Fruits: apple, orange, mango, grapes, papaya. Vegetables: cabbage, brinjal, pumpkin, onion, peas. Things we use in school: pen, pencil, book, notebook, eraser. Things we use at home: cup, glass, bowl, spoon, dish.